Aurum, amber or gold, as we know it, has always been a treasured metal and a symbol of grandeur, status and success since thousands of years. Crafting a variety of exquisite gold ornaments for our customers has been a matter of pride for us at SSR and Company. The legacy of gold jewelry making was forged by our visionary mentor, late Sri Shiv Shankar Vishwanath Ratkalkar. It was in the year 1983 when his prodigal son and keen disciple Sharan Kumar Shiv Shankar Ratkalkar took over the reins and spearheaded the workshop at SSR and Company. It was in Ravivar Pet, Pune, with a space of only 80 square feet, where Sharan Kumar laid the foundation of a small workshop with a handful of artisans. Today, the workshop is spread over 10,000 square feet in a 3-storied structure, with around 500 artisans working day and night to craft superior quality ornaments of all kinds. The beautiful designs etched out by our creative designers and skilled artisans with more than 25 years of experience are showcased at all major jewelers in India. Our jewelry is made using a wide range of methods, from traditional handicraft to modern technology. We make all types of jewelry such as traditional, modern, ancient and temple jewelry in our workshop. On the one hand, we make traditional Maharashtrian jewelry such as bangles, bracelets, embossed necklace, simple and fancy Mangal Sutra, Rani Har, Mohan Mar. While on the other, we also make specially fabricated Gokak-styled temple jewelry, which includes Kolhapuri Saz, Vajrateek, Putli Har, Tod Band, Bazu Band, Mohan Mar, Tode, Mangal Sutra and other jewelry. These ornaments are made from our dyes, which are more than 100 years old. We have had the privilege to design ornaments for several well-known places of worship in India. Our jewelry has also been showcased in several historical films and television shows. Years of hard work and dedication towards making gold ornaments has resulted in several accolades and recognition for our work. Our artisans were conferred the Best Karagir Award at the graceful hands of late Daji Kaka Gadgil, the founder of P&G Jewelers, in the year 2006. We are looking forward to spread our wings and expand our work from India to around the world.